Secretary Gilbert Chodoro making his first stop in Camp Melchor de la Cruz in Gamo, Isabela. The defense chief checking on plans to put up projects here at one of the new sites under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement with the United States. From Isabela, Chodoro traveling to Fort Magsaysay in Nueva Ecija at one of the 5 existing EDCA sites. He wants to expedite the construction of the different projects, most of which are funded by the U.S. government. As he made his rounds, Chodoro reiterates Manila's stance with its back and forth with Beijing over control of Ayungin or Second Thomas Shoal.
Kailangan tayuan nito nasa saligang batas to, sinumpaan namin to Huwag tayong pumayag na pagapang sila na papalapit sa Pilipinas.
Chodoro also coming to the defense of Coast Guard spokesman for West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, who recently lashed out at Filipinos echoing China's assertion, calling them unpatriotic and traitors.
Binabatikos nila ang statement ng Philippine Coast Guard. Ako naintindihan ko, kung saan sila galing. Sila na sa frontline, sila na bubugahan Di natural, ganyan na ilalabas nila na statement.
Chodoro has also been sharpening his tongue against China, especially following the Ayungin Shoal incident. In his visit to EDCA sites here in Isabela and Nueva Ecija, Secretary Chodoro hitting back at critics, including China as well as Filipinos taking the side of the Chinese government.
Maswerte nga ang Chinese government. They're being given the freedom of speech. They are basking in the liberty that our country allows, which their country does not allow.
Unlike in China, Chodoro says the Constitution bans any crackdown on dissent against government, including pro-Chinese propaganda being espoused right here in the Philippines.
Ngayon, ang disenyo ng ating saligang batas, palitan tayo na salita. Nasa sa taong bayan na ang sumiyasat. Kung sino ang nasa tama, kung sino ang propagandist at sino ang hindi.
But Chodoro also issuing this challenge to Beijing.
Sana naman pumayag ang China na mag-espouse din sa loob ng media nila ng anti-Chinese views. Ginagawa nila dito what sauce for the goose is sauce for the gander.
In the face of simmering tensions with China, the Philippines doubling down on increased defense posture by boosting US-backed EDCA facilities. From Nueva Ecija, David Santos, CNN Philippines.